A woman had been drifting in the middle of the ocean for 2 years, without any food or drink. But surprisingly, whenever she caught fish, she would throw them back into the water. Anyone would find this strange. But there was a specific purpose behind her actions: to attract the seagulls present in the ocean towards her. As soon as she started throwing the fish, the seagulls flying in the sky started gathering there. A fisherman and his wife, who were fishing nearby, noticed this unusual event. They suspected something was wrong there, so they took their boat in that direction. When they got closer, they saw a strange box floating on the ocean waves. It looked like a baby's cradle. Together, they somehow pulled the box onto the boat. As soon as they opened the box, they were shocked. Inside was a little baby who someone had abandoned in the ocean. The woman looked around in surprise, but as far as the eye could see, there was only the blue ocean. Then the fisherman noticed a rope tied to the box, going deep into the ocean. He pulled the rope. There was something very heavy at the bottom. Finally, the husband and wife used all their strength to pull the rope, and what they saw when it came up made the ground slip from under their feet. It was a woman. They quickly pulled her onto the boat, but she was unconscious and not breathing. According to his experience, the fisherman immediately started giving her CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Despite trying for several minutes, there was no response. They were about to give up when they heard the baby crying. The husband and wife's hearts melted hearing the innocent cry. They remembered their own child and decided to save the woman. They took turns giving CPR, and finally, their hard work paid off. The woman opened her eyes. She coughed loudly and spat out water. The fisherman immediately placed the baby in his mother's arms. The baby became quiet seeing his mother, and tears rolled down the woman's eyes. She was still in shock, but there was a glimmer of new hope on her face. No one knows what hardships these mother and child had endured in the ocean. But one thing was clear: when a mother has her child in front of her, she is ready to fight any adversity.